Let's start another exciting project on a breadboard. Simple, fun, and perfect for beginners. First, I insert a BC547 NPN transistor into the breadboard. This transistor will act as a switch. Next, I insert 1 kiloohm resistor and connect one side of the resistor to the emitter pin of the transistor. This resistor helps control current flow and keeps the transistor safe from excessive load. Now I take a 330 μF capacitor and place it on the breadboard, connecting its positive pin to the emitter of the transistor. This capacitor will store and release energy, creating the blinking effect for the LED. After that, I attach a jumper wire to the negative pin of the capacitor. This wire will serve as a connection point for the rest of the circuit. Then I connect the negative pin of a red LED to the same jumper wire attached to the negative terminal of the capacitor. This ensures the LED responds correctly to the charging and discharging cycles of the capacitor. Finally, I use another jumper wire to link the collector pin of the transistor to the positive pin of the LED. This completes our basic flashing LED circuit. Now our circuit is ready. I connect the positive wire of the 16-volt battery to the resistor and the negative wire to the negative pin of the LED. As soon as power flows through the circuit, you can see a beautiful rhythmic flashing effect on the LED. The capacitor charges and discharges, allowing the LED to blink smoothly. But here's the fun part. We can change the flashing speed just by changing the capacitor value. So let's do it. I removed the 330 μF capacitor and replace it with a 1000 μF capacitor, which can store more charge. When I reconnect the battery, you'll notice the LED flashes slower because a larger capacitor takes more time to charge and discharge. This simple circuit is perfect for learning how capacitors and transistors work together. You can use this concept in decorative lights, small DIY indicators, hobby electronics, and even in timing circuits for bigger projects. Give it a try. You'll enjoy building it, and the flashing effect is really satisfying to watch.